This is another of my friend Charles' 55-gallon tanks. We put the 4 Parrot Cichlids into this tank with 1 silver dollar. Charles acquired 2 foot-long plecostomi and the silver dollar from someone who sold him a tank. Silver dollar ideally should be kept in a school. It is a schooling fish, but the gentleman had only 1 left, so he came along with 2 large plecostomi, and we're able to get the local pet store to take the plecostomi. Didn't get much credit for them, but hopefully they'll go on to good homes. A 55-gallon is quite small for a foot-long fish, and this tank had 2 of them. The bioload was much too large for the tank, even though it has 3 hang-on back filters. Hopefully the Parrot Cichlids won't trouble the silver dollar. They do seem to be pecking at it. Don't see any damage as of yet, but it does appear to be quite stressed. I'm not sure this is going to work out. I have to move it onto a different setup. But hopefully the fish will settle in and do alright in this tank. Not a huge bioload for a 55. With all this filtration, they should do just fine.